Kumba, please take money from my bag and go and buy me any drink from the supermarket. In fact, buy me a boxed drink. Okay? Please, hurry up now. Don't take the 50 Ghana, take the 10 CD. I'm watching. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hurry up. Would you please excuse me for a second? I have to go to the lady.
Oh, okay.
Take care of her, I'll be right back.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is she?
She stepped out.
Oh, okay. Auntie, please relax so I can do the ends for you.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You thought I was joking when I said don't come near here again, eh? You thought I was joking. What are you doing here? What did I tell you the last time I saw you near here? You what?
I didn't do it.
You didn't do what?
Where did Winifred say she's going again?
Washroom.
Oh.
I think she's having a stomach upset or something.
Oh, okay. Madam.
Yes?
Excuse me, please. I'll be back, okay?
Okay. Please help me.
Is there a problem?
Me, I don't know.
Today you have brought
What
yourself.
did you do?
You stupid boy. You never come near here again. Do you understand me? Did he steal from me?
didn't-
You are still talking. You are still talking. You foolish boy. You think Kumba is your class of girl, eh? You think I sweat all day to have stupid boys like you take advantage of her? Stupid. Oh, get away. There you were. Today you will see something. Today you will see something, foolish boy. And then my child say yes. Nonsense.
She slapped him.
You hit him? Oh, yes, I did. And I'll slap the living daylight out of you if you don't go back to the shop right now. Get back to the shop this minute. Get back to the shop. Kumba! Hey, Kumba, get back here right now. Foolish girl.
She's crying.
Are you alright? What happened? Where is Winifred?
And where do you think you're going? Kumba! Kumba, get back here right now. This small girl, eh? And what have you people been doing the whole time I went away? 2 braids? Why? Get to my other side. Give me the hair. Take it, Kura. You're over 4 hours late.
And what are you still doing home?
What else? Waiting for you.
Auntie sweet.
I
Car broke down somewhere in the middle of the road.
And battery also died.
And I can imagine you imagining me with another lady, young lady somewhere.
Well, I know my husband. He loves matured women. Like myself.
My wife knows me so well.
What?
What is coming off the kitchen?
Well, I decided to prepare jollof rice when I got here. But I ended up preparing about 4 different meals. I hope you haven't had lunch already.
No, I haven't had lunch.
I love my husband.
I love my wife. Alright, I'll take my shower now.
So I'll get this. Say thank you.
Thank you. Are you okay? What's wrong with you?
Why do you think something is wrong?
I know you. There's something on your mind. Annie.
Come sit, please.
Hey.
I'm pregnant again.
And you're not happy because?
Because I can't. I can't lose this one. I walk around like everything is fine, but everything is not. I feel this is never going to happen.
Hey. Don't be hard on yourself.
Until when you're desperate and find someone else that would give you a child.
Not this one. Please. Not on this one.
It's the truth. I feel this is eventually going to break our home.
Hey. Listen. There's someone out there who's waiting to have a feel of what pregnancy is all about. Even if it's a day. The good thing is, you can get pregnant. We just need a very good doctor to see you through this.
What if we don't find any?
Well, we will.
What if we never have kids? That's what I'm asking.
Then, we will talk.
About divorce? About a second wife?
No. About adoption. About any other option out there. Hey. Come here. Come on. Listen. We are fine. With or without children. Do you hear me?
Dr. Clark thinks I shouldn't be active this time around. Actually, that's why I'm home today. I took a leave of absence till I come out of this woods.
It's fine, but you can't be home all alone, all by yourself.
I know, but that will mean spending more time with you.
Yeah, sure.
What about the help? We can always get someone from the village. Not my hometown. I don't trust those witches.
Right, I'll leave that to you. But hey, you're supposed to be home resting, not you doing other stressful jobs.
I know.
Good.
I'll be in the kitchen.
Alright,
Thank you.
sure.
Hey, what are you doing tonight?
Why?
Well, my dad got me into this program that I have to attend.
A political program? Please.
Come on, I need a date.
So get a girlfriend.
Okay, so I pick you up at 8 p.m. Cool?
Are you not going with your dad?
Look, if you're asking if my dad can be my date, the answer is no. It's a formal affair.
Josh, I can't go.
Why?
Because I'm so tired. After this trip, the only thing I want to do is to jump onto my bed.
So you're not going?
No. Come on, Josh. You know the reason why I can't make it.
And it's not even Your real fiancé yet, and he's already dictating who you can and can't see.
Of course not. You know that is not the truth.
So tell me, what is true?
Okay, so how would you feel if your girlfriend is still seeing her ex-boyfriend?
Knowing they're friends? Nothing.
You say anything to win an argument. This politics things really fit you. You better stick to it full time.
You know what? I'll settle the bill. I'll wait for you in the car.
Joshua, Joshua.
Ceci.
Hey, AC. I haven't seen you all week.
It's my dad, oh. He's sick. He was admitted at the hospital, and I've been with him all week through. I'm surprised you haven't heard.
I am sorry. I've been preoccupied.
I can imagine. Your news is all over town.
What news?
Apparently, you are the only girl in this village who is taking school fees and a house as bride price. But that is silly. Where did it come from?
So are you coming from the hospital now?
Yes. And why are you changing the topic?
Because who has time for useless village gossips? Don't we have something better to do with our time? Let me escort you.
Okay. Oh.
Let's pass here.
Ceci, I beg go.
Sister Sinam. Sister Ceci. My dog banami lo. Sister Sinam. Oh, wait, there's a see a minya juma beer. Maria Majumanina. I'm a more nafa when coffee. Why? Oh.
Did I tell you I need any help with my load?
Hey, Sister Sinam. Na me was a mana. Mejia koja no apeka krama mi wensu ya bufu. Oh, enyesa.
Your friends? Etibuke echi. Omu suya adie. Wo wa ha. Upeska kola keto atsel.
Me nkwate na buku echi. Me pede o buku echi. Yanti krom ha na nkrofo. Area school ekoko inam. Obi area school pa de na boarding krata be sei. Obeko no hyefuo mu do. Paso be na woso. Me ye adwuma nkasa na da chiansi me ye. Uwie school ade na be ye nya adwuma. Ti me no me fa shortcut na makọ akoye adwuma. Ti mu be wie no na me ye master. Me yanche me si dan na ma wakotenam.
Hey, little gossip. Where did you hear that one too from?
Ndi wo metri menka no akasa me konkonsani. E behia.
Tessie.
Yes.
Did you hear? Even Agbe. Little Agbe, oh, he has heard it. So you are not bothered.
Why should I be bothered? I have important things to think about.
Like what?
Like the fact that what that little boy just said might be true. Did we waste our time with school?
No. Stop thinking rubbish. Don't let what that little boy said get into your head, oh.
But it is true.
It's not true.
It is.
It's not true.
It is true.
Good evening, Uncle
Good
Moses.
evening. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you not coming? Oh, okay. I just got here myself. Where's your sister?
Let's go inside.
Okay. How is school?
Fine.
Great. Kumba. So how is school? Kumba, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Are you okay?
Yes. Actually, no.
What's wrong?
What do you see in her?
What do you mean?
She's my sister, yes. But she's a devil. And the last thing I want to do is to live under the same roof with her.
Oh, take it easy, Kumba. Please, take it easy. You two are much alike, you know. Ah, you have this temper.
God forbid. I refuse to be anything like her. And I'm so sorry for you.
Whoa. Is it this serious?
Moses, walk away when you still can.
Look, this is your big sister we are talking about. Please watch your words, okay?
I am so done caring. I am so done caring. What? At least I know better than to think anything good can come out of her. And I'm so sorry for the baby she's carrying.
Excuse me?
Hello, Moses. I wasn't expecting to see you here.
Are you pregnant?
Who told you that?
Are you not pregnant?
No, I'm not. Why would you even think a thing like this?
She's obviously lying. She threw the used one away so that I can't find it. Moses, this is the one left. And the only reason she's denying it is because that child might not be yours.
Kumba, this is the last time. I am warning you.
What will you do?
Winifred,
What?
I want to know the truth. Are you pregnant?
I said I'm not pregnant for Christ's sake. So what do you want? What else do you want me to say?
She's lying, oh. That's the same way you dated Bright and dumped him right the minute you saw Moses. Because he's a better option, right?
Oh, God.
Moses, she doesn't love anyone, oh, but herself.
Kumba!
It's okay, it's okay.
You don't know the sacrifices I make for
It's
you.
okay, it's okay.
You don't know the sacrifices I make for you.
You have not made any damn sacrifice for me.
You know what?
Sacrifice anyway.
You are so done. This is the last time.
It's okay.
Ade. Ah!
Winnie, is that why you have been avoiding me?
Moses, please. This is really not the time. I beg you, just go already.
No, I am not going anywhere. The fact that I love you doesn't mean you should treat me like a crap. I want to know the truth and I want to know it now. Is that baby mine? And is she telling the truth?
I said there is no
and
baby.
I said she's lying.
Hold it. And what the hell were you doing with those test kits?
You want to know the truth, huh?
Yes, I want to know the truth. What is the truth? Tell me. Go on.
I aborted it. I aborted it last week. Are you satisfied? You found out too late. Now will you please both get off my back?
You did what?
Exactly what I said. It is my body and I decide when I want to have a child.
God, why would you do this to me, Winifred? Why?
Have a child with you? Do you even know what it means to raise a child?
What is wrong with that? Why can't we raise children together? Why? I got you that shop for Christ's sake. And I provide for you every day. Don't I take care of you? So why can't I take care of our child? Why would you do this? What else do you want?
What else do I want?
Yes, tell me, what else do you want?
Moses, I want her life. I want her life. This is not it. I can't raise a child like this. Does this look like hope to you? Take a look around. Does this look like hope to you?
We have dreams, okay? We have big dreams. I thought we talked about this.
My dear, you have dreams. Your sorry dreams. And I'm sorry, but I can't be a part of that.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your bride.